example 6.4. Find the scalar and vector product of two vectors. Vector A equal to 3i caret minus 4j caret plus 5k caret. And vector B that is equal to minus 2i caret plus j caret minus 3k caret. Now see here. First let's take scalar product. So vector A dot vector B that is 3i caret minus 4j caret plus 5k caret dot minus 2i caret plus j caret minus 3k caret. So here dot product that we know ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. So ax bx, so that is minus 6. Ay, by, so minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4. Az, bz plus 5 into minus 3, that is minus 15. So our answer that is minus 25. Now vector product. Vector A cross vector B, that is vector product is represented by the determinant I caret, j caret, k caret, ax, ay, az, so 3 minus 4, 5, bx, by, bz, so minus 2, 1, minus 3. Now we have to solve this determinant. So first we take I caret into minus 4 into minus 3 minus 4 into minus 3 minus 5 into 1. Then after minus j caret, so minus j caret, so 3 into minus 3, so 3 into minus 3 minus 5 into minus 2, 5 into minus 2, then plus k caret, so 3 into 1, 3 into 1, minus minus 2 into minus 4, so that is equal to, now I caret into minus 4 into minus 3, that is 12, then minus 5, then minus j into minus 9 plus 10, then plus k caret into 3 minus 8. Clear? So finally you will get the result, that is here minus plus 7i caret, here minus j caret, and here minus 5k caret. Now in theory we state this thing, A cross B and B cross A will be equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. So suppose you take B cross A, then you can give the answer, that is minus 7i caret plus j caret and plus 5k caret. Clear to all of you?